This story out of South Carolina. There was a school bus crash, right? A school bus crashed into a house.
What led up to a Spartanburg school bus crashing into a house? And the reason the bus driver says she ran off the road might surprise you.
Okay.
Fortunately, all of those students and bus driver, they are okay tonight. Now, I did go back to that community this afternoon. I spoke with a neighbor who heard everything happen.
Got to talk to the neighbor, right? Got to talk to a neighbor who saw the bus crash into the house.
I looked out my front door.
Yep.
There is a bus
There we go.
that had crashed into the house across the street.
All right.
This is what she heard.
It was a...
Why?
She made the bus crashing noise that she heard. That's what that is.
Why would you have a news camera and a news microphone in front of you? Now, she didn't want to be on camera, so you just see her back. So I guess she's like, nobody's going to know it's me. Might as well make the bus noise. Yes, that's a lady in South Carolina describing the noise a bus crashing into a house made. Like, are those the tires screeching? What is she doing there? All right, let's get to the rest of this here.
It was a howl and a cry like in pain or something.
Like a howling cry.
I couldn't figure out what was going on. It sounded like metal scraping on wood also.
I don't know if this sounds like metal scraping on wood, though. I don't know what it sounds like. A spooky ghost, maybe? I don't know what that is, man.
And a loud bang.
A loud bang.
Loud crash.
Yeah, loud crash, loud crash. I don't know if those are the tires.
Investigators say the bus driver had an explanation for why she lost control.
All right, so here we go. This is the bus driver's explanation why she crashed a school bus into a house. By the way, everybody's fine.
The driver told the officers that she had two squirrels had run out in front of her.
Oh, no.
And she had swerved to avoid hitting squirrels.
Wow. Oh, okay, so it was squirrels. So
dumped the bus into a house over two squirrels.
Yeah, she saw two squirrels and then swerved. Maybe that's the squirrel noise that the lady's making. I don't know. Maybe that's a squirrel. Or hold on real quick. Hold on. Let's play this game real quick, all right? Let's play animal mating noises with the South Carolina school bus lady and
see if any of these match up.
See what animal mating noise she's closest to, right? All right, here is her sound again. This is a description of a lady saying, this is what a school bus sounded like as it was crashing into a house, avoiding squirrels. All right, and that is those noises with a mountain lion. All right, South Carolina bus lady with cougar mating noises. Oh, here we go. Might be a cougar. She might be a cougar. She could be a cougar. All right, I'd have to say she's a cougar so far, but she also might be a llama. Oh, wow. She's a llama. Wow. She's a llama. It's a llama. It's a llama.
A llama in heat.
Yeah. All right, so South Carolina bus lady's a llama.